Can't seem to sell your handmade product? It's probably not the price, and it's probably not how the product is made. It's probably what you're not saying. Not because you don't know what you're doing, but because no one ever taught you how to speak to the emotional energy behind what you create. So let's change that. One small word swap can shift how your product feels to someone reading your description. So no redesigns, no rebrands, just words that work. I've created and sold over 500 products across the globe. Now, I help creative mystics like you go from crickets to consistent sales simply by shifting the way you speak about what you make. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your product isn't the problem. Your messaging is. You're likely describing what it is instead of what it does. You're saying things like organic bath soap or lemon soy candle. It sounds nice, but it doesn't move anyone. That's not sales language. That's a grocery list. When someone's scrolling, they're not asking, what's this made of? They're asking, will it bring me peace? Will it ground me after a long day? Will it help me reconnect with my intention? People don't buy candles. They buy clarity, comfort, and connection. If your words don't evoke a feeling, they keep scrolling. Not because they're not interested, but because they don't feel invited in. So let's make it easy. Step one, name the emotional shift your product supports. Is it grounding, renewal, protection? What energy lives in it? Step two, describe that. Speak to the transformation, not just the object. Say, energy clearing ritual instead of soy candle. Sacred soap for spiritual release instead of bath salts. Maybe memory holder instead of bracelet. Step three, weave that language magic into everything. Product names, bios, captions, until it becomes part of your brand voice. Let your words cast the spell your product is already holding. When your audience feels emotionally seen in your descriptions, they stop price shopping and start saying yes to your brand. Want help? I made you a one-page cheat sheet with 10 magnetic words that you can start using tonight to make your product copy resonate. Drop the word magnetic below and I'll send it your way. Free, of course. So skip the guesswork. You could spend the next few weeks wondering why nothing is selling, or you could use this cheat sheet and start rewriting your product descriptions today. And your sales copy can start connecting tonight. Follow if you're ready to own your power and co-create your magic. Until next time, stay magical.